Take a ride in the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.